Just a few clicks and money is yours. Wanna know how? Follow me closely as I reveal everything about this strategy. Hit that subscribe button for more and let's get started. So guys, we're gonna flip some domains today and we're gonna earn some money. But what is actually domain flipping, guys? It is the practice of buying a domain name as cheaply as possible. And then, without doing anything with the domain, you'll sell the domain to an interested party for more than you originally paid. That's all, guys, that you have to do. And if you go on Godaddy.com, you will find everything that you need to know about domain flipping and how you can buy some, what's important when you buy, what's important when you sell. As you can see, you will have to search for a domain, then you will have to evaluate the domain. And these are 4 rules that you have to pay attention to. So there is length, there is brandability, there is relevance, and there is search friendliness. So it has to be short, it has to be catchy, and you have to be able to remember it pretty fast. I'll talk about that a bit later more, but now you also have to register the domain name. After you do that, you will be able to find a buyer for that domain. And that's all that you have to do, guys. You will sell it and you will get a lot of money for it. Now, GoDaddy has a lot of domains which you can buy and you can sell here as well. It's a platform for this kind of stuff. And on Trustpilot, they are very well rated. As you can see, 33,000 people rated this and they've got 4.5, which is pretty excellent. There are some good reviews here. As you can see, people are truly satisfied. I haven't seen a bad review yet, but there are certainly some impatient people. But most of these is like this. This was a very good experience. I also made a lot of money with this one, and just now I'm gonna show you how it's done and how you can be profitable with this as well. And the first service that we're gonna use for today's strategy, guys, is Fastdemainer.com. This is a website where you can search and generate certain domains. So for example, if we just type in here, I don't know, for example, Meta Ads, and we click on this search button, it will open that metaads.com has already been registered, but here it will show you some domain suggestions. These green ones are available and you can buy these whenever you want, but these red ones, of course, they are not available and you can't use them. Of course, .com and .net and .org is the most popular ones. You should try always to get those domains because they are the best ones with those extensions, but sometimes it's not bad to have IO or something like that. You don't have to worry about that. You just have to know the rules of this and then later you will see what works for you. And now, guys, you can see that here you have this domain generator as well. So if you click on it and we type again Meta Ads, and here you can see that you can choose which one of these you want to use, which of these extensions are good to use. So for example, I will just keep on com and IO, for example, but you can see there is also .app. This is a very good one as well. There is some UK, US online, and for example, if you want to have something with US, so for example, someone is opening a store in the US, this is a very good one, or UK for that matter as well. But let's for now keep it like this so we can see what this generator offers to us. And as you can see, it opened all of these and it will open all of these suggestions which are available right now, which you can buy right now. All of them are available and free to use. Now, the next service is Instant Domain Search. As you can see here, it does the same thing. You can search for a domain and you can generate certain domains. So for example, let's just click crypto, I don't know, and it will give you all these available ones which you can buy, for example, for $8 now. And as you can see, this one is worth 3.5 thousand, which is what it can be worth in the future as well. And now this one is really interesting. So you can here make your own brand. You can generate short brandable business name using artificial intelligence. So AI will do everything for you guys. You just have to come here, be a little bit more creative in these keywords. So I don't know, let's just put metaverse because it is trending right now. Let's click on generate, and what this tool is gonna do, it's gonna generate some names for your business based on your keywords. keywords. So for example, this is generation randomness. You can choose low, less random, the most direct name ideas, or you can choose some more creative results. So for example, let's click on medium, click on next, and here on name style, you can just put in real words, compound words, two words, whatever. Just click on generate. I just want to show you how this AI tool works. So for example, you can see that they will make even the logo for you. So there is something like Meta Tri-City, Meta Mementos, Metaspasm, so you can get an idea of what domain to buy, because this gives you some creative ideas which you can use in buying your domains and later selling them for more money, and that way you're gonna make a lot of money. This tool is very useful, so I recommend that you remember it somehow and use it whenever you do something like this. And now once you do all the necessary research, you can just go back to godaddy.com, and here you will find your domain, guys. Of course, first of all, you need to click here and you have to create an account here, and that is simply done by clicking on this create account button, and you can simply continue with Facebook, with Google, or your email, whatever you choose. And now once you're on the inside, you can just click on this button, start shopping, and that's all that you have to do. But you gotta do some nice research for all of this, because you don't know what you're gonna buy, right? You can use all of these tools that I have shown you, search for domains, generate them, and think about it. So if you somehow know or can predict which domain is gonna be searched for in the future, well, that's your ticket in, guys. That's your money right there. And that's what's gonna make you rich even. So for example, imagine just if someone thought of Coca-Cola brand in their own country with their own domain before Coca-Cola came into that country, he made a lot of money, guys. They made a lot of money by just using sites like this one. Also, there is one more website, and this is Flippacom, and as you can see, it is the #1 marketplace to buy and sell SaaS businesses, websites, apps, a lot of different things, digital services as well. So here you can see that some of these are pretty cheap and some are pretty expensive. So this one is $1.4 million and this one is 149,000. So there are some pretty expensive ones, but you can find very cheap ones on this website as well. But the most important thing, guys, is that you do some research and you use all these tools that I have showed you. You also have tutorial here on how to sell, but of course you need to make yourself an account here, and you will see here that list your asset for sale takes only 15 minutes. Flippa.com is also good source, and they have nice traffic as well, so it's gonna make your domains, your websites go very fast. So all in all, when you combine all of these tools, you will have some nice fundamental knowledge on what to search for and what to buy. GoDaddy can help you a lot. A lot of people have been using it and a lot of them were satisfied. So I really suggest that you use it first and learn everything that you need to about this, and I'll catch you guys later.